Hey guys, it's Frackermaster, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn Granny's eyes white. I'm gonna go on easy. Let's start. But when her eyes turn red, that means she's angry. So on those 5 nights, her eyes are gonna be red. Alright, hurry up, hurry up. Come on. Finally.
I haven't seen any whales yet. Yeah, sometimes they just don't show up. They gotta work with something. Captain! Captain, I like that. Say it again. Captain, my friend's toy. I threw it into the water. We need to get it back. You had what? You threw his toy in the water? Yeah. Kid, these are shark-infested waters.
Come on, you go in here. You go down the stairs. And then right here,
I lost all my credit cards.
you go in here.
I lost my driver's license. I had to spend so much
And
time.
you push this button right here, and then you walk into the wall. And then you see the teddy, you grab the teddy, and then now she's gonna come down and her eyes are gonna be red. And she doesn't leave when you have a teddy. Even if you have a teddy in your hand, she's not gonna leave that spot. If you can see, her eyes are red because she's angry. If you even throw Teddy, she's not gonna leave. She's gonna follow you. Wait, what the? She left? I didn't know that. Oh, I think she glitched. Well, if you keep the teddy in your hand, her eyes will stay red. And that's the end for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video. See you guys next time. Peace.